Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. So I just want to let you guys know, heads up, if you guys want to know how to do this makeup, I did post a video before this video and it's for Valentine's. So if you guys want to know how to do this look, go over to my last video. So my name is Velvet702 if you guys are new to my videos, and yeah, I just want to tell you guys that this year I'm gonna try to put more videos out. You guys can see also that I have a more clear video now, because I am now using my Canon G7X to film this video. I didn't want to use it at first because it is my vlogging camera, and yeah. So but now I'm just like, you know what, whatever, I want to put out more better quality content, because those last videos I put recently, it's not cutting it. So if you guys hear more things in the background, it's because how good this camera is. Like right now, I'm pretty sure you guys can hear the fan. Probably is because my room fan is on. It gets kind of hot in here with the ring light, so I start sweating it up. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna shorten this up now and tell you guys about some products that I've come across and I am falling in love with. So disclaimer, you guys may like it or may not like these products, but I do, and they might not even work out for you guys, and yeah, everybody's different, and I just wanted to just throw that out as a disclaimer for you guys. So yeah, let's get started and show you guys all the yummy little things that yummy little things, the awesome things that I enjoy. So first off, I want to tell you guys, I do have dry skin, like very, very dry skin, and I hate it. And I guess, I don't know, it's probably because I live in the desert. If you guys don't know, I live in Las Vegas. And yeah, so my skin gets very, very dry, always. And even in the winter, it gets even more worse. So, I've been trying to find moisturizers and all types of things to work, and so far I haven't found anything really that well yet. But as for a face primer to keep my face moisturized and hydrated, I came across this e.l.f. hydrating face primer. This is it right here. I used to use the white one. Hold on, I'm gonna get it right now so I can show you guys. So this is it right here. This was the old one I used to use. I still have a little bit in there. It says it is a mineral infused face primer. That's what that helps me with. So I mean, it's good, it's nice and smooth and stuff, but since it doesn't help me, my face still looks like it's like dry and like cracked. So yeah, let's throw that away. So yeah, this is my favorite now. They're very affordable. You guys may think that e.l.f. is like cheap products, but you know what, they're coming out with a lot of good stuff. You guys need to try them. And hello, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try this out, I'm gonna see what it does, and you know what, it makes my face very, very smooth and hydrated throughout the whole day. The only bad thing is, of course, when you by the end of the day, my face looks very oily, and like it moves around my face like my product. So yeah, you guys need to try this out if you guys have very dry skin. Like I said in the beginning of the video though, disclaimer, it may not work for you guys because everybody is different. Everyone has different skin types. Me, I have a dry skin combination because my T-zone, actually I do get very, very oily. But the rest of my face is very dry. On to the next product. Maybelline actually came out with a lipstick, or liquid lipstick, I guess you guys can say. It is called the Superstay Matte Ink. So this is it right here. I've been trying this out for 3 days now, and I am in love with it, you guys. So it is kind of sticky, somewhat, I guess probably because I layered it like twice. I don't know, maybe. But it is very, very, very smooth. I like it. Another thing that I want to introduce to you guys, whew, it's amazing. Very amazing. And that is Juvia's Place. Yes, Juvia's Place. Y'all know that I'm a Bhcosmetics girl, and I do nothing but Bhcosmetics products on my channel. And if I don't, I'm usually using Coastal Scents. But yeah, Juvia's Place is very recommended by me. Seriously, it is velvet approved. I love it. You guys, the color pigmentation on this, they are amazing. They're easily blendable. I don't even have to get much of the product onto like my eyelid because it's a lot already. And there is some fallout, but not as much unless you guys do, like, you guys are like digging into your eyeshadows and you guys have like those loose brushes, then you will have a lot of fallout. But for me, I dab in my products, my brushes into my products. And this is right here, I think this is the, yeah, this is the Zulu Palette. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so in love with it. You guys all know that I like doing dramatic colors on my eyelids. I'm a dramatic girl. And these colors are very, very pretty. My recent posts on Instagram are mostly all I've been using these a lot. So yeah, I haven't hit pan yet, of course, because I just barely recently got these. My man got them for me. And yeah, you guys, if you guys don't know anything about Juvia's Place, you guys need to go and jump on that wagon and freaking, yeah. I can never say this palette right here. I don't know, it's like the Saharan, I'm not sure how to say it. Saharan palette. This is the purple one. I don't know if the camera is picking up like really good. Like how good the colors look. Look at this blue. Look, there's nothing on my fingers, right? That's amazing, right? Why is the camera making me look pink? I don't know. Don't worry about how pink I look. I don't know why it looks pink. But these colors are beautiful. Oh, this is how the look. I have nothing on my arm. Nothing. Nada. Like, really, you guys, necesitan agarrar este palette, like, for real. I bet you guys didn't even know I speak Spanish, huh? So the next product is Bhcosmetics Shanaxo Remix palette. Oh my god, you guys, this is amazing. They actually gave this to me, and it literally, it made me so happy. They gave me this along with some brushes. You guys, this palette right here is awesome. They partnered up with Shanaxo on YouTube. If you guys don't know who she is amazing. But this is an 18 palette. You guys probably see my setup up there, the camera. But this comes with 18 colors. There isn't 18 shades here, Velvet. What are you talking about? Like, that's because if you close this, I'll show you guys how to do this magic. Oh, if I can do it. But look at that, both sides. Like, seriously, this is how it looks. Watch. So this is how it is right here. Ah, see? And the colors are really pretty. They are some of them are very pigmented and some of them aren't, but they are worth getting because it has a lot of good colors in them. And a lot of them are like natural colors you would use. I usually actually use this palette a lot when I go out to do things and I'm in a rush, and I actually use this palette a lot. And of course, this eye makeup that I did, I actually did use this palette. So yeah, if you guys do want to see this palette in action, go over to my last video, my Valentine's video, and yeah, on to the next product. I've had this for a while now, and my man did get this for me last year. Oh wait, no, that was not last year now. 2016. Yeah, 2016. And this is how crazy, you guys. I don't usually use highlight as much. I only use it for photos. Usually sometimes I do wear it out, but not as much because I do have dry skin, and my dry skin looks horrible with highlight on. So all you girls out there who have perfect skin, who get to wear that highlight without worrying about your dry skin cracks and pimple looking things, because it's not even pimples, seriously, they're not pimples, it's just dry skin. And for all those girls who do know what I'm talking about, it sucks, right? Anyways, onto the product. This is Tarte. Oh my god, this guys, this palette is amazeballs. It's amazeballs. So I actually got this on accident. The lady at the register was supposed to give me the, what was it, I think it was the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight palette. I don't know which one it was, but I had told her that that's what I wanted at the time, and she got confused and she got me this, and I wasn't paying attention, and I was already home, and I was like, wait, was this what I got? This is what I wanted? I was like, no. But you know what? I'm glad she did. I'm glad she put this in there instead. I mean, I just don't want to try out the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight palettes that they have. But Tarte, you guys are amazing. So these are the shades. They do come in, well, it comes with the mirror on both sides. This right here is, of course, the shading, like a concealer, basically. And the Sculpt. Sorry, my neighbors are probably moving the trash out there or something. And these four are shades, highlighting shades. Highlighting powders. Oh my god, what is wrong with me today? Highlighting. Highlights, the highlights, okay? I can't think right now. So, I like using this one a lot. This one's my favorite. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. It's freaking dope, right? I got a thing on my finger. Like, really? You guys, I'm serious. You guys need to get this palette. You guys, seriously, I don't know where you guys are at right now, but you guys are missing out if you guys don't have this palette. It's beautiful. Very, very beautiful. You can't really see that one because it actually goes into my skin. Hold on, I'm gonna try to get that a little bit more, see if you guys can get it. Yeah, it's somewhat getting in there. I'm all like so I know I did talk a lot on this video. I'm so sorry, you guys. It's just, I'm so excited because, you know, I'm coming back onto YouTube. I'm not gonna do it every one video a day anymore. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to give a thumbs up or a thumbs down, doesn't matter. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.